All right, a little after 4 a.m. and I am pulling out of the driveway and heading off to this little state land spot that I managed to find on the interwebs. That's not that far away from home, so I'm hoping to get there, see if I can't hear something strike off, and if I do, I happen to have all the gear with me, and we'll give it the old college try, as they say. So, get back at you. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is snowing, and it's snowing pretty hard. I was a little worried that this might happen, but we're going to, I'm still going to persist. I think it's supposed to taper off pretty much right at about shooting time, so maybe another hour, hour and a half. It's 34 degrees, and so I'm hoping that this won't affect too much. Okay, made it to the spot. There has been a little bit of moisture in the air all evening, so it was raining where I'm at. I've climbed enough in elevation now that it's actually snowing, and snowing pretty good. It is white on just about everything but the road, and sitting at what the truck says is 31 degrees. So I was hoping on rain more than anything, but the snow, not quite sure how this is going to affect. If you've ever hunted turkeys for snow, if you can drop a comment and let me know what the hell I should have done on this, that would be very helpful. But we're gonna just go give it a shot, see what happens. I've got about a 2-mile trek in, and so I think to get to my actual jump off point where I'm gonna start listening for gobbles is about 20-ish minutes away. So getting on the road here should get me there at just a little before 5 a.m. So I'll keep you updated. All right, made it up to my jump off point. I'm sitting on this ridge right now, hoping to hear a gobble. There is a lot of snow on the ground, so I don't know how this is gonna play out, but we're still gonna give it a shot. Haven't heard any fire off yet, and it's about 5:35. All I've learned so far is that I am incredibly out of shape. Should have hit the treadmill for turkey season. All right, well, got off the jump off point. Still haven't heard a gobble. It's damn near 6 o'clock. And I'm going to start working my way down into some of these clearings. I might start calling here in a little bit, see if I can't strike something up. But I don't know. I don't know if the snow has shut them up or if there's just no turkeys here. So we're going to just keep putting around. We keep moving. I heard a faint gobble, but I mean, it's deep, and this is some pretty steep terrain to try to get across, so we're slowly moving that way. I haven't ripped off on a call yet or anything, but this is going to be very, very slow going for a little bit. But off in the distance over there, there's a moose, so that's a plus. Looks like a big old cow. Sure, it's pretty up here, but haven't heard a gobble yet. Well, I think I heard a gobble, but that could just be me and wishful thinking. So, we'll see. Well, I think this might be a fool's errand. It's about how deep the snow is. So, we're gonna get over to this low point in the valley, rip on calls for about 10 minutes, and just see if there's anything that strikes up. But I think I'm just here way too early, or it just snowed like crazy up here for the last 2 days. So we'll find out. See if we can't strike one up, huh? There's just nothing out here. All right, well, coming down the mountain spot, and I'm tired. I got one more spot that I'm gonna go check out. It's a very, very tiny piece of state land, about 30 miles west of here. I'm hoping that that will have less snow on it, and you know, maybe some birds. But this is, yeah, I'm just too early. It is the Tuesday after opening day, so it's the 18th right now. So I don't know. This might be a back in, you know, middle of May kind of spot. All right, checked my other 2 potential state land spots, and not a bird on them. Yep. Granted, I was a little late there, but I saw 1 hen in someone's private front yard, and otherwise I walked the couple of 50-acre parcels that were there and just didn't see anything. So I think I'm back to the drawing board. On my way to the shop right now, and then hopefully I'm able to get with Wilson and some of the other guys, and maybe they've got a spot for me to try at Redemption, because as of right now I am 0 for 3 and starting to get upset. Right, well, got back to the shop just in time. Wilson went out, scouted this morning, found a spot that had a bunch of fired up birds on it. It is about 11:30 right now, so I'm going to attempt a shot at Redemption. So I'm 0 for 3 so far, hoping I don't go 0 for 4, but we're gonna see what happens and give them hell this afternoon. It's turning out to be a very, very nice day. Sunshine's out, temperature's gone up quite a bit, so man, I'm hoping they stay fired up and I'm able to finally get one done. So stay in touch. All right, just parked the truck, walking down the way here, got about a half mile or so. Then I'm gonna head left and get up the ridge on this side, see if we can't cook something over. He's over that way. It's a couple of ridge lines away. I don't know if I want to close the gap or I'm going to try to call him over, but I'm going to sit here and see if I can get him a little closer to start with. So every gobble that I'm hearing is coming from that direction over there. So we're walking this road, trying to get over to that ridge and then work our way through the thick shit that direction. But they're definitely working their way more that way, which is south of where I am. So let's see. All right, well, I've put on more than a few miles trying to get something, and I'm just striking out big time. So I'm following this real nice looking logging road. I found a couple of really good clearings, but I cannot get a gobble to save my life. So I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna walk this to the end of the trail here, probably sit for about 20 minutes and then head back the other way. But frustrating. I know that I heard 1 or 2 when I first got in here, but trying to get to them, you know, straight away across, I don't know whether I spooked them or whether they went, you know, the other direction. So I'm going to try to stick it out on this side of the hill as long as I possibly can, and maybe that'll lead to something. Who knows? But not giving up just yet. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I walked like 3 miles that way, and I ended up right there. There's my pickup. Good scenario. Oh, time to go down, charge the phone, get some water. Whew. All right, back to the truck. Got some water, recharged the phone a little bit. Gonna try the other side of this piece of property and see if we get lucky. But otherwise, this will be the last trip of the day. So hopefully we're able to get something struck up, because getting kind of bored. Nah, not really. Still fun to be out here and trying, but man, I would just love to hear a gobble.
Looks like 4 or 5 back there. Getting any closer, they're hanging out on that ridge. That's the edge of the property line, so I'm on state land right now. Those guys are on private right over there. They just know where they can go. There we go.
Bird down, baby, bird down. First one completely on my own. Oh, I got impatient. I didn't want him to come all the way to the decoy, so I took the shot. But man, they were on that piece of private behind me. I just absolutely called the piss out of them. And man, good looking bird. Woo! Oh man, talk about just raw, pure excitement. That is 100% my first turkey, all done by myself. He's pretty good size. He's not ginormous, but he's got some good looking spurs on him. He's got an all right beard for a mountain bird. I mean, like, look at that snoodle. Oh man. So excited. Called both of them over from private land, walked all the way up to the property edge, heard them gobbling on the other side, and man, they just like cut at him super aggressively. And I'm kind of disappointed, because if I would have been a little more patient, I bet he would have seen the decoy. But they came in behind me, they cut around the bush, and I was just so worried that they were going to see me and spook, that as soon as his head came around and I had good view, I took the shot. And so I'm hoping it works out from a film standpoint. But first one. So excited. Well, back to the truck, and I can tell you what a whirlwind of a day. You know, and super cool to finally put it all together after watching, you know, try to do this for the last, I mean, realistically 10 years. I mean, it literally has been 10 years since I've attempted to hunt turkey. And so this is my third hunt. I should say fourth, because I've had 3 unsuccessful, and this would be the number 4, which was successful. But super cool to have a great team of guys that were supportive and like trying to help me along the way, but had the respect to let me, you know, even go as far as to use their scouting information to be, you know, successful on my own. They knew what my goal was, and man, they, you know, helped me along the way. So super cool to have a team of guys around you that are willing to help. But man, oh man, if this isn't a testament to just like persistence, then I don't know what is. But it was a hell of a journey. And I'm beyond excited to continue on. I do have 2 more tags to fill, so guess we'll get started right away next week.